Is your iPhone email suddenly not sending or receiving? Don't panic, we've got you covered. First, the simplest fix: let's restart your iPhone often. A quick power cycle can resolve temporary glitches affecting your email app. If restarting doesn't do the trick, we'll check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Go to your iPhone settings, then tap on Wi-Fi to ensure it's enabled and connected to a strong network, or check your cellular data to confirm it's on. Next, let's verify your email account settings. Navigate back to your main settings menu, scroll down and tap on Mail, then Accounts. Select the email account that's not working here. You'll want to ensure your password is still correct. You can try tapping Account and then Password to re-enter it. If you've recently changed your password, make sure to update it here. Sometimes, the issue lies with the server. On the same account screen, tap on Fetch New Data. Ensure push is turned on if your email provider supports it, or check your fetch settings. Choosing a more frequent interval can help. If you're still having trouble, let's try removing and reading your email account. On the account settings screen, scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Account. Once deleted, go back to the main settings menu, tap Mail, then Accounts, and select Add Account. Choose your email provider, enter your credentials, and follow the prompts to set it up again. Finally, ensure your email app itself is up to date. Go to the App Store, search for your email app, and if an update is available, install it. These steps should get your iPhone email working again in no time.